All right, guys, welcome back to Elite Income. I have seen many requests on please which cards should I invest my token on Hamster Kombat. Where can I invest it to get these profits? Okay, that is why I'm doing an update video, and I'm going to teach you diligently how and which card you should buy so that you have more profit, because this one here is means nothing. It will be born, it doesn't have any value. What has value is this, just like I've said before. So I'm going to show you the tactics, the skills on which card to buy so that you grow fast, because it's not about having this one and feel and get to the next level. It's about having this profit. So let's get started. So first of all, we will go to mine. So let me carefully show you this. If you see that some of these cards have locked, please take note. Most of these cards have locked, and you cannot unlock them until you get most of other cards. Now, I'm going to show you the tactics I've been using to climb so fast to this profit margin, of 152. In the next 2 days, I'm going to have 1 million profits with these tactics because I just discovered this update. So I said, let me tell all of you. So when you come to this mine, what you will do is some of the coin that you have been able to open. Like now, you see, it says that I should use 85,000 units of those ones that I have been mining to get 1,600 profit per hour. Have you seen it? And now I am in which level here? It says this and I get this. So I don't want to buy this yet. Let me show you something so that you understand what I mean. Now, let us first of all go to the one that is locked. If you check this one, this mem coin that is locked, if you see that it says influencer level 10, that means I have to go and look for the card that has influencer and then buy it up to level 10 before this mem coin can unlock. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So let's first of all look for a card with the name influencers. So let's go. Let's check for influencer. I've not seen it here. Okay, I've seen it. Okay, I've not seen it. Not seen it here. Let's look for influencer. Let me go to PR team and look for influencer. Good, I have seen influencer and I open. They say if I get to level 10 under influencer, I will be able to open the other one. Now, which level am I now on? I am in level 9 already. So just one purchase of this one, and if I spend 34,000 here, I'm going to get 400 profit. But our aim is not this profit here. Our aim is so that this influencer will be able to open the other card. So I go ahead and then I purchase it with 34,000. Now, since I am now in level 10 in this influencer, if you check here now, I'm in level 10. I will now go back to that card, mem coin. Have you seen? It has opened. So now the tactics here is that this mem coin now that has opened, what I will spend to get profit will be, I will spend less but get more profit. I don't know if you understand. So this thing is like a market trick. It's like you have to get a shop where there is much people before you can sell our product for free. So it's just a market trick. So I spend much to go to influencer up to level 10. And then I can now spend 2,000 to get 110 profit from men's coin. So I go ahead and then I purchase. The first time I purchase, I am at level 1. I'm sure I'm at level 1. Have you seen it? Level 1. So if I go again, 2,200 to get 100, and if you want to go and buy this profit per hour up to 1,000 now in unestablished card, you will see that it gets to 30,000 of this. So the tactics here is that you try to open a coin that has been locked, and then you use small amount of this coin to buy this one. Have you seen the tactics now? So that is the skill update that I want to show you. Let's check for another one so that you can understand. Now, this token here now is locked. This card here is locked. The name is Social Fi token. Now, to open this, I have to get to level 11 on GameFi token. So let's look for GameFi token. This is GameFi. Have you seen? I am in level 8. It says I should get to level 11 so that I will be able to open this one. So I'll first of all go, I'll purchase. I'll now be in level 9. I'll go again, I'll purchase. I'll now be in level 10. See, it's still locked because it says I should get to level 11. This is an investment idea. So I go again, I get it, and I am now in level 11. Have you seen? Social Fi has now open. So I can now spend 500 coin to get 50 per hour. It's now cheap. It's cheap. Have you seen? 551 to get another one. So I will be growing like that. So that is how to spend your coin wisely. That is how to spend your coin wisely, and then invest on different cards. You gather those coin that you spend. I am spending this coin now to be getting this profit. So you now see that my profits will now rise so quick because of what you just see me do now. So let's check for another one that has been locked. I've unlocked so many of them. This one that is locked needs referral. You need to refer 4 friends. So I won't do this one. This one is cheap. 4,000 to get 200. So it's cheap. I have to buy it. I've bought that one. This one is, you see, 11,000 to get 500 is costly. Most time you don't have any other option. If you don't have any card that is cheap, you can buy it. So another place that you can go to check is this one. Have you seen? CoinDex is locked, and it needs you to have level 10 of Cointelegraph for it to open. So let's look for Cointelegraph. This is Cointelegraph. It needs level 10. So I'm going to I am now in level 7. Let me get to level 10 so that I'll be able to open the other one. See, I'm opening Cointelegraph to buy them. That is level 8. That is level 9. And that is level 10. CoinDex has now opened. So I can spend 1,000 to get 80 profit per hour. So this is what I have been using to climb so fast. And since I've discovered this up there, I said let me not hide from you guys so that you guys will know how to invest. Because if you just mine it without investing those coins there, your mining is just worthless. So I'm getting it as much as I can because I want my profit margin to get to at least 160,000. See, now I have 454,000. I was having 153. So that is how I invest this coin now to get this one. So very soon I'm going to spend all this one trying to check which card will match, will go, and then I buy them. Anyone that is locked, I will check it. Any new card that comes up and how much they sell it, I'll buy it and then increase my profit margin. So that is how I've been doing. See, this is a new card, Hamster. You cannot buy it until you get to some level. You see, you cannot buy it. So this is how I get new cards here, and then I use it to update my own profit. Thank you. Keep mining. Hamster is going to make a lot of people have at least a passive income of, depending on the profit margin you have, if the coin is listed for at least $0.1 or $1 itself, that means you have so much money. So thank you. Keep mining and keep investing on Hamster until I come next time. Please like, subscribe, and then comment. If you don't understand, just type on the comment section and I'm going to reply fast. Thank you.